Hello everyone! Today I will be discussing the intersection and union of sets. Intersection of sets. The intersection is where the two circles overlap. So meron tayong ditong dalawang circles na nag-overlap and then there is a shaded part na kulay green. Yan yung intersection ng set A and set B. The symbol of intersection of sets is yung pabaliktad na U. Okay? I have some examples. Using the diagram above, find A intersection of B, A intersection of C. Okay? What will be the answer? The answer is 8 and 9. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa set A and set B, yung nasa gitna is the intersection of the two sets. That is 8 and 9 ang elements. Number 2, set A intersection of set C. The answer is empty set. Okay? Wala silang elements, empty. Null set. Ibig sabihin, sa mga elements ng A and C, walang common, walang parehas na element. Another examples. Given P with the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Q, 2, 4, 6, 8, and set R with an elements of 1, 3, 5. Okay? Letter A, P intersection of Q. What will be the answer? That is equal with elements of 2, 4, 6. Now, paano kung hindi siya naka-Venn diagram? We're just, the elements are just listed. This one. So, paano hahanapin ang intersection? Hahanapin natin, titingnan natin kung ano yung common elements nila. Ano yung meron kay P na meron din kay Q. Okay? Yun ang intersection. So, dito, if we are going to look at the given sets, ang common elements ay 2, 4, and 6. Kaya 2, 4, 6 ang intersection ng set P and set Q. And if we are going to create or illustrate the diagram of set P and set Q, this will be the diagram. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung nasa gitna, yung mga elements ay 2, 4, 6. Letter B, P intersection of R. The answer is 1, 3, and 5. Yung common elements between P and R are 1, 3, and 5. Okay? If you are going to illustrate the diagram, the Venn diagram, magiging ganito. Yung nasa gitna, that is the intersection. 1, 3, 5. C, we have Q intersection of R. Okay? Ano yung mga elements na common between Q and R? Okay? Wala. Empty set. Ang elements ng set Q ay 2, 4, 6, 8. While ang set R ay 1, 3, 5. So, kung titingnan natin kay Q and R, walang elements kay Q na makikita din kay R. Kaya, empty set ang ating sagot kay letter C. And then, if you're going to look the Venn diagram, walang nasa gitna, blanco. Ibig sabihin, null set or empty set. Next is we have the union of sets. When we say union, it is combining all the elements in A and set B. Okay? Ang kanyang symbol naman is yung U. Parang letter U. So, if we have a Venn diagram, itong shaded part na kulay pink, ibig sabihin yan, that will be the elements of the union of sets A and B. Okay? Example. Okay, binalikan lang natin yung kaninang example. ang iniba lang natin dito ay yung union, yung symbol natin. Kanina, intersection, now, union. Number 1, A union of B. What will be the answer? Sabi, ang union is combining all the elements of the given sets. Okay, so ang magiging sagot ay 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15, and 16. So, lahat ng elements ng A and B ay isusulat natin. Pero, since ang A and B ay merong common elements na 8 and 9, isang beses lang natin isusulat yung 8 and 9. Hindi pwedeng ulitin or hindi pwedeng dalawang beses isusulat yung elements. Isang beses lang. Number 2, A union of C. Okay? Set A contains the elements of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And set C with the elements of 18 and 20. Okay? Pagsasama-samahin lang natin sila in order to get the union of set A and set C. Next example, okay, yung kanina pa din. Letter A, P union of Q. It is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na kapag doble ang elements is isang beses lang isusulat. Katulad dito, yung 2, okay, isang beses lang isusulat. Yung 4, isang beses lang. And then yung 6. Okay? So, union of sets combining all the elements of the given sets. Okay, so ito yung magiging Venn diagram. And then if you are going to see or look the answer, ang magiging shaded part dito ay lahat. Yung circle natin, set Q and set P. Lahat iyan. Next, P union of R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? We're going to combine the elements of P and R. Okay? So, ang magiging sagot, if we're going to use a Venn diagram, yung shaded part niya ay ito ring lahat na region ng set. Okay, and the last example is Q union of R. Okay, Q union of R. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so ang magiging sagot sa Venn diagram, if we're going to shade the region, okay, yung set Q and set B pa rin. Okay? Now, practice. Answer the following. Just comment your answer below.